Clearbrow, North Dallas, finishing up a 21 LC500. Full front with some A-pillars. XPEL Ultimate Plus. So we're going to run over this guy real quick just to show how we do it here with our films, and starting obviously with our hood. Get in there real tight with all our wrapped corners and edges, and our fender with our wrapped edges and corners. So we're going to come up all the way around here, and we're going to keep looking and showing you how we wrap everything around. So even in here, all this gets wrapped up by the windshield, coming around to the A-pillar, and then coming inside the door, everything comes in and gets wrapped. Wheel well, everything nice and tight. We were able to wrap in this fender area, just breaking the crest here into the fender. There was enough room. On this one, we left these covered. They're flat. See how they do. If they don't, we'll trim them out later. Coming around the backside, obviously gets all wrapped. Toyota uses a different kind of a bumper here with this. It actually molds into this piece, so there really is no ridge, so we're still able to wrap it. And then coming up around, same thing on the other side. All the bumper gets wrapped into all those ports. And again, we left this all covered and these guys covered here. No sense in cutting them out yet. And then we did our mirrors. The mirrors going in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. And then our A-pillars coming up and around, wrapping them all around here so we don't have any lines, and then coming up around the back side. And that's it, folks. 2021 LC500 XPEL Ultimate Plus. And there's a Taycan, 2021 Taycan, getting a full wrap by Darren. So stay tuned for that one, and we'll be in touch. Thanks for watching. Clearbrow, North Dallas. 940-703-8301, clearbrownorthdallas.com.